Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Vision, the channel where we look at sports differently. Now, England has named their 25-man squad for their Euro 2024 qualification matches against Italy and Ukraine. This is the squad. Now, interestingly, there's a name at the bottom of that list. Ivan Benjamin Toney. And I know Jamaicans worldwide will have one eye on these fixtures. Will Ivan Toney get his chance? Will he play? We'll have to wait and see. So England manager Gareth Southgate has picked uncapped striker Ivan Toney in the squad for this month's Euro 2024 qualifiers against Italy and Ukraine. Brentford's Toney, 27, is the second highest English goal scorer in the Premier League this season with 16 goals, behind Tottenham's Harry Kane. However, he's facing a potential ban from the game, having accepted breaking Football Association betting rules. England travel to Italy on March 23rd and host Ukraine at Wembley on the 26th of March. Toney was charged with 232 betting breaches in November and a further 30 in December, and a disciplinary hearing has yet to take place. Now, despite this situation with the betting, Southgate knows the quality of Toney. Saw him especially against Arsenal, was very impressed in that game at the Emirates. Very impressed with Toney. So naturally Toney is in the squad, and I don't wrong him, second leading goal scorer, Englishman in the Premier League. So definitely he should be a part of any England team. To some it might seem like a risk knowing the situation, but there hasn't been a trial, so I guess Southgate has no reason not to put him in the team. On a Jamaican standpoint, this could be the end of the Ivan Toney dream. If he plays in these two matches, I think he'll just need one more game to be cap-tied. And when I say cap-tied, meaning he'll be unable to play for any other nation. So the definition of cap-tied, used primarily in association football to describe a player who has represented a senior national football team in more than 3 games, including at least one competitive game, and as a result is unable to represent another FIFA affiliated national team. So 2 games coming up, he has a chance to make an appearance, get a cap in both games. That will bring the tally up to 2, and it will pretty much be over. He will just need one more game and he'll be cap tied. So fans, let me know what you guys think about this situation. Ivan Toney being called up once again for England. Will he sit on the bench like the previous occasion, or will he get onto the field? Another wait and see. But let me know what you guys think. Have you already given up hope on Ivan Toney representing the Reggae Boyz, or you're still hanging on to that small thread? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm just giving you the information. This is Eddie Guna. Thanks for watching, and always remember, like, share and subscribe.
Yes, Gregory Simmons here, on live with Eddie Vision. Please like, share the video. It's a great show. Happy to be a part of it.